Blood pressure that's high over a long time is one of the main risk factors for heart disease. Uncontrolled high blood pressure can lead to a heart attack or stroke. It may also affect your kidneys. Diet can play a major role in the development of high blood pressure. Diets high in fat and calories can result in obesity, which is a common risk factor for the development of high blood pressure. In a similar way, diet can also play a very important role in the treatment and control of blood pressure. Here are 7 examples of things to limit or avoid if you have high blood pressure. Number 1. Coffee. Caffeine-containing beverages such as a coffee can cause a significant spike in blood pressure, something that's bad for your heart and can also cause your libido to come down. Caffeine may cause the adrenal glands to release excess cortisol and adrenaline substances that typically cause a further rise in blood pressure. So it's recommended that you try to avoid drinking coffee as much as you can. Number 2. Whole fat milk. The whole fat variety might be richer and creamier, but this is because it contains a massive amount of saturated fats. If you consume too many saturated fats in your diet, increases the level of bad cholesterol in your body. It can also clog your arteries and cause your blood pressure to rocket. Still, if you don't want to give up milk completely, you can still opt for the low-fat variety. Number 3. Canned or bottled tomato products. As a rule, tomato products are problematic for people with hypertension. Canned tomato sauces, pasta sauces, and tomato juices are all high in sodium. A half-cup serving of classic marinara sauce can have more than 550 milligrams of sodium. A cup of tomato juice comes in at 615 milligrams. You can often find low sodium or reduced sodium versions of all these items. Number 4. Refined white sugar. Another major reason for a spike in blood pressure is refined white sugar. Refined sugar is often added to processed meals or ready-made foods as well, so you might want to check the packets a little closer. Still, it's okay to eat sugar every so often. Just excessive consumption can lead to hypertension and higher blood pressure in the future. Number 5. Cans of vegetables. Although you might think that it's easier and more cost efficient to buy canned vegetables and they will last longer, you may not want to think again. Since canned vegetables are often doused in preservatives and salt, they may not be as nutritious for you as you're led to believe. So it might be more heart healthy to buy fresh fruit and vegetables. Number 6. Pickles. Preserving any food requires salt. This is because it stops the decay of the food and keeps it edible for longer. However, salt can take even the most innocent cucumber and make it a sodium sponge. The longer vegetables sit in canning and preserving liquids, the more sodium they can pick up. A whole dull pickle spear can contain as much as 362 milligrams of sodium. However, reduced sodium options are available. Number 7. Alcohol. Small to moderate amounts of alcohol may lower your blood pressure, but drinking too much alcohol can increase your blood pressure. Drinking too much can also increase your risk for many cancers, even for people who only drink occasionally. According to the Mayo Clinic, having more than 3 drinks in one sitting can cause a temporary spike in blood pressure. Repeated drinking can lead to long-term blood pressure problems.